So before I get into this week's update, guys, we did it. We hit 100 subscribers. So thank you to everyone that subscribed and liking and sharing these videos. It's a big achievement. I know it's small compared to some people that have hundreds of thousands and that, but it's all about stepping stones, you know? I mean, when I started doing this a few months ago, I didn't have a clue. I can't even bloody work a mobile phone. And then first couple of videos were on my mobile phone. Then my mates got me a GoPro for my birthday. Then I ended up getting a laptop to do some editing and that, which I'm still learning. But anyway, thank you so much. I put a video out, I don't know if it was last week or the week before, for our next goal, which is 250 subscribers. And we will be giving 2 bits of silver to two different people as soon as we hit that. So if you haven't seen that video, go and have a look and follow the instructions for your chance to win 2 pieces of silver. Anyway, we've been busy, as always. Bit dark in here, need an electrician to turn the lights on. But we have blocked up for the front door there and the window in the bathroom, which is sitting there, which is going in tomorrow. And we have walls. So as you walk through, we have a little corridor. To the right here will be blocked up and there'll be shelving in there. This is where the bathroom's going to go. Obviously still got the stud work to do in here, but we've got all the first fixing, spotlights and stuff. We are now walking through into the kitchen. So we'll have worktops along there. There is, all that is cut out ready for a staircase in the future to put 2 spare bedrooms above. This side's going to be the kitchen. And then we're walking through to the lounge. So we've got the plasterboard up there. Got the stud wall in here ready as we go through into the bedroom. So a nice sized bedroom. Bit of storage in there. Window. And then I think we've got a digger coming tomorrow or after tomorrow, you know, to dig out all of that patio area there, which obviously that'll be in the next video. So anyway, that's this week's update. I'm hoping to have all the boarding done in the next couple of weeks. Plasterer is booked in, ready to come. I have got 2.5 months to finish this house. Do you think it's going to be possible? Let me know in the comments. It's got to be done, so there's no choice. It's either going to be weekends, long hours, but anyway, we will get it done because that's what we're all about. We never give up. Thank you guys so much yet again, and peace.